Hello, everyone. Welcome to this, short-term presentation here. Announced, I think, few hours or yesterday night. So everyone is interested to get the news from the Zeniq and the news about this spectacular new minting model and minting project. And we will talk about this today. Brand new presentation. Even for me, brand new. I get 10 minutes ago, noch a bit designed, and looking forward to share with you all this information in the next 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever we will need today. Here, don't look for the time, look for the key facts we will discuss. So first of all, our traditional disclaimer: we will talk about economy, we will talk about hardware in different categories, and the main category is blockchain tech for sure, and minting category, staking category. Later on within the year we will see the tokenization category. So we are not talking about one-day fly business, we're talking about real economy for sure. And on the other side, the chapter of cryptocurrency is running 12 years roundabout, and a new one is ahead, coming with the tokenization of real world assets. And cryptocurrency is popular already. Also, if only a few % of the population are dealing with it, and we will not look for these concepts. 90% of all those cryptocurrencies without use case, without background company, and we will talk about the new chapter as well. So that's what we will look at. And here the three categories where Sapphire customers and Sapphire members are dealing with in the future. So like I said, the main category is blockchain tech, but also health tech. I think to save your health, to prevent your health is very important. And energy tech, producing energy, saving energy is a very important factor in our time. You see, the resources worldwide are not like before. War and other influences, prices increasing, you know what I mean. So that's important. Digitalization of the world. So those who dealing with these three major industries or categories are for sure would be the winner in the future. Digitalization, blockchain technology, and tokenization. A lot of companies talking about blockchain related to any crypto blockchain or whatever, but there's more. There's much more, and that's why I'm so excited about this concept since 1 year. It's a progress over the last 12 months, exciting progress. And in the last week, we saw on this Zeniq event, the first hackathon here, made by Zeniq, that everything is real. I interviewed privately different programmers from all around the world and interviewed them. How is it running? How fast is the smart chain? Announced a week ago. And I think in the first 48 hours, already over 40,000 blocks are validated on this brand new smart chain. And there are only 8 smart chains out there in this industry until now. Zeniq smart chain is the 9th. And that means, there's only a small elite of projects, of companies out there with blockchain and smart chain. And this is amazing. Blockchains are more, there are hundreds, but smart chain is something special. And we will discuss why and what project can do with this smart chain, and even cross chain, is in the house of Zeniq here on plan. So blockchain technology, the main partner is Zeniq Technology for sure, based in Dubai, in the DIFC, in the financial center, but is not a financial company. So don't get this wrong. I can have a technology company, I can have a hairdresser salon, a restaurant in the financial center, but I'm not a financial company. For financial services, dealing with fiat, with these Zeniq card, debit card, top up with fiat and crypto possible, and other services like a virtual IBAN account with a Zeniq Hub upcoming. Those services are provided by third parties, by cooperation partners from the financial banking sector. So this is separated. We will talk about DAO. We will talk about a decentralized crypto ecosystem, but with the fusion, with the merge to the old financial system called fiat system. So Zeniq technology, yeah, here a bit background information, the history since 3 years. They developing this ecosystem. It started in Austria, then they partnered up with a third-party investor from Switzerland. Yeah, luckily they get separated, but afterwards the game changer was the move to Dubai and also the massive partnerships there with Sheikh Zayed bin Hasha Al Maktoum as a strategic partner and shareholder here, member of the royal family, the Al Maktoum family. So the goal for the Emirates is to be the #1 location worldwide for the digital economy, or to participate from the digital economy and the leading role of the Emirates in the fourth industrial revolution. And Dubai will be for sure the first city in the world with 100% of its services running on blockchain technology. Yeah, so there's a lot of progress. And the next chapter was to launch the smart chain. But the smart chain is the base for many, many, many projects running on it, and with a CEN20 token standard. Yeah, we all know ERC20 standard. Thousands of projects are built on Ethereum or BEP20, Binance Chain, and CEN20 is the standard for the Zeniq smart chain. And we will see a lot of projects, and it started a few days ago with projects already, with software solutions on the smart chain. I told you after 48 hours, over 40,000 blocks are validated already, and also the tokenization will run, or the projects, the asset-backed tokens will run over the Zeniq smart chain. The Zeniq Hub is the access point for this decentralized system for every customer, the possibility to be with this Hub 01, a full node in the decentralized ecosystem of Zeniq, like a Bitcoin mining rig is a node for Bitcoin network. Around 15,000 nodes are running in the Bitcoin network, and decentralizing it. We will have tens of thousands of nodes in the Zeniq network, so much more decentralization coming with every single hub owner out there. And the Zeniq swap, you can compare it to Uniswap, to PancakeSwap, the home for all the CEN20 tokens built on the Zeniq smart chain will also launch very soon on the smart chain. So the smart chain was the base for many, many steps upcoming in the very near future. The debit card is already available in the online shop, in the Sapphire shop here for European partners, and other solutions for other continents are in progress. So Zeniq application, that's the access point. Also for another model, another category for many, many projects coming soon. The pilot project was Avinok, the staking program, the staking hint model. The access point is the Zeniq app, but also your private Zeniq wallet with private key. You have a multi-wallet there with many cryptocurrencies, and also other functions like the Zeniq swap will run over the Zeniq application. So staking model is today not our main topic. Our main topic will be this new minting model and the new minting project for sure. But it's so amazing from the mechanism, from the background story. It's not to compare to any crypto story out there, especially if they are connected to any network marketing stuff. Guys, it's a new chapter, it's a new category, 100%. So own smart chain, NFTs, tokenization running on that. And let's go here on the next slide with the Zeniq blockchain. Up to 50,000 transactions possible. The smart chain is running with a 10,000 transactions per second. So I mentioned right now we have 9 smart chains worldwide, but you know, many of them are very slowly, very expensive in the transaction fees. So Zeniq smart chain has the advantage to be very cheap in transaction fees, very fast. I get this feedback also and experience from those programmers who building already projects and software solutions on it. So very exciting to see this in reality, you know, to hear it, to see it, how they coding, how they programmed. And the first step by start of the smart chain was that every programmer gets a batch of Zeniq coins, for the fees, for the transaction fees. So the smart chain is burning Zeniq coins as a transaction fee. Yeah, so this is very amazing, but the supply will decrease over time. The more transactions, the more projects are built on the smart chain, the less Zeniq coins will be available on the market. And this is a real use case that's a reality independent from any network marketing activity. Yeah, if you look in this industry, 99% of those companies will fail and will close, after no customers coming in anymore. So it's completely independent. We have the developing side with Zeniq and as a master partner for blockchain technology, and we have our direct selling division Sapphire with a lot of other fantastic projects also in the near future. So the smart chain is live. You can check that smart.zeniq.net. You can see there. And now let's jump into our new minting model. And new model means not only new project, also the kind of minting is completely different. It's an amazing story, and I think in our time, the most important story, from politician side, from any side, people realizing more and more the world is in danger, is really in danger. And you can get part of saving the earth while making money at the same time. So it's very interesting, this charity character, and also on the other side, the mechanisms, the economic mechanisms behind this project. The future of environmental regeneration is digital for sure. So to get the masses in this helping role, to help, to save, but also to participate from specific mechanisms. And this is very intelligent, and I never saw something special like this before. So for me, some new slides here. By joining the high technology of cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks with the greatest demands of the century, Tupan brings you the opportunity to make differences into the environment while enjoying an investment with high potential for appreciation. And I think if the world realizes this, the acceptance and the will to help is on a different level. And this is what we are looking for. Forest AU Green LC is an environmental digital asset investment fund formed by a group of Brazilians with backgrounds in the corporate and financial universe who wanted to be faster the regenerative circular economy in the Amazon region. So its founding took place in the United States, but the background in the United States, the majority of capital markets concerning tokens and cryptocurrencies as legislation. So this is the main market. You know that the SEC, the most important regulator in the world. And if you combine all those things, we will look at it's an amazing story. So most revolutionary technologies of the century, and it's not only one, there are many patents, many technologies in this investment fund included. I will show you some other slides with this, and the most urgent demand on the planet and of the society is to save the planet for future generations. That's it. That's the main point, and the future of humanity is in your hands, in our hands. Conservation, of rainforest, minting Tupan token is the beginning of the journey. So there are many other projects to follow. It can have to do with the ocean, with all those ecosystems we need to secure. Imagine you could solve our environmental problem, and in the same time, you can still earn with that. That's amazing. We have a new financial environmental-based solution for your business with the Tupan token. And using blockchain technology, we connect global investors to enable solutions with positive impacts on environmental recovery, promoting the bioeconomy. In compliance with 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and what is liability on your company's income statement now becomes an asset on your investment balance sheet. Yeah. So normally an investment in something, yeah, costs money, yeah, and yeah, your balance, yeah, sheet will have less value. Yeah. Imagine you invest in something and your balance sheet has more value. Yeah. So that's amazing, and a lot of possibilities here. So then we have the minting itself, and this is a new technology of minting. We call it community minting, and yeah, it's a bit technical, yeah, but you can give an example from the nature, yeah, or we go in the nature. Each hubs possesses a copy of the minting smart contract containing unique parameters. And this group of special parameters is called pollen, yeah, and carries information that will be used to trigger the NFTs in the future. So a pollination event occurs when one hub with 0 active connections connects with the other hub with 0 active connections. This event results in the creation of a virtual seed, yeah, the Tupan D NFT. Yeah, like a real pollen carries genetic information, this virtual pollen triggers a function in the seed contract, passing as arguments the parameters of each parent hub. In the future events, this seed, yeah, the NFT's state will evolve into a tree state, which contains a mix of characteristics of both parents. Yeah, so sounds a bit technical for some people. Yeah, the seeds is immutably attached to a single location on the map, processes in unique X or Y coordinates pair. And yeah, this is the way to create new coins. When the process is completed, the transaction of state to tree is triggered, generating a pre-terminated amount of Tupan tokens, yeah, defined by the halving functions. There were 2 halvings in this in this process of minting, yeah, a sales halving and a time halving. This token number will be distributed between all connected tokens. Yeah, see irrigation event. So the seed should pseudo randomly inherit 50% of the parameters contained in each pollen, and the pseudo randomness is calculated as a, yeah, you can see this, the numbers selected params of hubs. It's a bit technical, result stored in the DNFTs in the metadata. It's a real process, and yeah, step 2, the previous section is described in the situation here. If the condition of 0 active connections is not satisfied, the hub normally connects with the seed, triggering a function that increases the irritation counter and advises the state from seed to sprout. Yeah, so this is a new, completely new kind of minting, and yeah, this event is triggered when the irrigation limit is achieved with a new hub connection. So you can see it here on the right side. Pollinator, yeah, hub means 4 tokens. Yeah, so you can check that in a special session. We will for sure have an expert to explain this in details for those who are interested in. Yeah, I think too much numbers for a first information. Some DNFTs are harvesting compatible. So you can see periodic triggering triggered this DNFT. Hub injects Oracle data into the chain, and off-chain triggering Oracle. So this is very cool. We will see gamified yeah, characteristics soon upcoming, where over an Oracle, yeah, the real world can be shown in a virtual world. Yeah, like let's say outside there are the trees, it's raining, the tree is growing. Yeah, and over this Oracle, you can transfer this reality into a digital world, and you can follow. Yeah, you can see the trees, you can see them growing. Yeah, and these gamified characters will come soon also here in this project. So, and I think very important point is the Tupan investment fund is regulated by the SEC, yeah, commission in the USA. So most important or the most powerful regulator in the world. You heard about Ripple has a case with this SEC, and yeah, it's amazing, yeah, to have a background story like this, saving the world, giving this opportunity. And look at this, yeah, this is the Forest EU Green LLC investment fund, and look at this background, how many different yeah, projects, patents here on the right side, 67 patents and registration. So a lot of companies, a lot of industries will produce value, products, etc. here, and multiple new revenue streams will be added to the main we will discuss today, and this is the CO2 certificates, the carbon credits trading on the world market. So purchase of land with intact rainforest, or even the reforestation of destroyed habitats, is supported with these CO2 certificates, with these carbon credits, and conservation and restoration of the rainforest will go on. So it's a circle of growing, of participation, of more and more multiple revenue streams, medicine, agriculture, productivity, cosmetic, surveillance. I saw one project with a special kind of drones, a very high-tech project also. So stay tuned for this, is what is to come in this whole ecosystem, let's call it like this. And it's amazing, to participate from all of this, and for sure to save and to secure the nature, and to support a lot of projects and companies are doing good, in this ecosystem. So the next step is the market. I mentioned already CO2 certificates, and you can check that out. It's growing from year to year. Carbon credits create a monetary incentive for companies to reduce their carbon emissions. That means, let's say, pharma companies, factories, airlines, all the companies who having emissions out there need to support or to incentivize these certificates. They need to buy it. And on the other side, the institutions or companies who supporting nature, reforestation, saving nature, they are incentivized with these certificates, and they can sell them. So this is a market, a huge market, and rapidly growing. And for sure, one day potentially the most important project on Earth, product on Earth. So the CO2 market, you can see here, also raised to net zero. Amazing numbers. Meaning of net zero emissions is achieving a net zero emission means that some greenhouse gases are still released, but these are offset by removing an equivalent amount of greenhouse gases from the atmosphere and storing it permanently in soil, plants, or materials. So this is a big market, and we will participate from that here with this project. And you can see also the goal, the Paris Climate Agreement comes into effect. So you can see all the big nations, China, USA, India, Germany, Canada, etc., are signed this contract, and the global carbon credit market value, look at this, 2017 until 2027, is growing and growing and growing, and expected here 200, what it was validated here by 211.5 billion in 2019, and expected to reach 2,407 billion by 2027. That's what is shared in form of these CO2 certificates. From one side they need to buy, from the other side they can sell. This is a huge amount, and this we will put into consideration here in these mechanisms, and this is amazing. Look at this, guys. So that means we are minting exclusively here the Tupan token, with our hardware. You need a Zeniq masternode as the transporting device, and you can buy an add-on minting power pack here for Tupan, and you can produce at the same time Zeniq coins, with the old minting strategy, and Tupan token on the other side with a maximum number, with a maximum minting power here by day one, if you like. And then look at this circle here, profits made from trading. CO2 certificates are used to buy Tupan tokens on the exchanges. Yeah, so the token, I see the fund in the middle, yeah, is getting credits from the bank. Yeah, beside of those hectares we talked about already, yeah, there will be more and more land bought. Yeah, the procedure you can see for saving, yeah, or reforestation, whatever it is, you get CO2 certificates, and these are sold, yeah, to the fund, and the fund is buying back the tokens on the other side from the minting of the Sapphire community. Yeah, and now we can imagine, yeah, these balance sheets, yeah, or these kind of investments, yeah, increasing the balance sheet here on one side, and that's amazing. Imagine your value, your value is increasing while investing in something. Yeah, so get more and more credibility, and on the other side, you buy more and more land. Yeah, get more and more CO2 certificates, and these amounts, yeah, sold from the sales of these CO2 certificates are used to buy back the token. Yeah, so this is not a speculation like most cryptocurrency. Yeah, are they increasing? Is there demand or not? Are there customers to buy my Bitcoin, my Ethereum on the market or whatever? No, this is a completely other yeah, circulation, other banks and companies worldwide in this market of CO2 certificates involved. They need to buy, they need to reduce, yeah, their emissions over this way, but an airline can't stop putting out the emissions while flying. Yeah, so they need to buy these certificates and others too, and many industries, and the market is going bigger and bigger and bigger. And for sure, the Amazonas ecosystem is the most important in the world. Yeah, so the priority also, yeah, for those companies to look where I sell my CO2 certificates, where's the best use case, where's the best support for Mother Nature, is the Amazonas rainforest, and many more to come here in this circle. Yeah, so that is huge. It has never been done before. And yeah, so go to the next slide. So I think there was one slide before. No, okay. Yeah, and look at this, is the founder, Mr. Orderly Feriani, and look at his vita. MBA in Strategic Business Management Consulting from Thomson Management and FinTech program from school. Yeah, Diplomat Ambassador of the Criminal Code in Den Haag, Division of Children's Human and Environmental Rights. So he's a very successful businessman, long time, and for sure you can see also in these key facts that he is really interested in making the world a better place, not only in fact of nature's backgrounds and problems, also children, human rights, whatever. So he's involved in many yeah, projects and institutions, yeah, and expert in business science, financial engineering, tokenization of financial assets, and digital finance assets regulatory framework, yeah, and founder and CEO of a boutique investment bank, and founder and manager of yeah, 05 investment funds, all SEC regulated, also founder of the first foreign exchange correspondent fintech in Brazil, and duly regulated by Brazil's central bank. So I think the background, and you can see it here by yourself, also mentor for blockchain and tokenization at United Nations FCCCC task teams in Dubai and India. So huge background, huge connections, a lot of patents, a lot of projects involved in this investment fund. And I think for me, the biggest story I ever saw related possibility to have to participate in minting with real hardware. Yeah? So no speculation, no one-day fly business or something like that, what we can see every day out there in this industry. And from the user's point of view, for all of us, the possibility to produce something on a honest hardware and with a very specific minting model, community minting, yeah, and community is needed also to save the world, yeah, and also to duplicate yourself, yeah, so win-win-win for everyone with this new minting and project also. Okay, so the pre-sale of Tupan minting will start on Saturday, June 11. That's the final kick-off time. Yeah, so we have today and tomorrow time for different kind of meetings, different kind of preparations for our customer, our members, yeah, to be ready on Saturday. Finally, Saturday, not Friday, Saturday, yeah, to go in here into this pre-sale and yeah, until the minting begins. A few weeks later, it will start minting. Each buyer will receive up to 10% additional minting results. That means 110% instead of 100. Yeah, and similar the tokens. Yeah, 110 token. Is that what you will receive by minting start? If you are buying within this week, yeah, if you are buying an add-on package compared to your hub, next week it will be 109 coins a day, 109%. Yeah, the week after 108, 107. Yeah, and by start it will jump to 100%, to 100 tokens a day. Yeah, so the pre-sale is a big opportunity to get up to 10% more Tupan token every single day. Yeah, we will look at the halving also, pre-sales halving. During the pre-sale, the minting factor decreases by 1%, like I said, each week. And the time halving is a personal halving. That means if you purchase on, let's say, July 5 or June 8, yeah, June 8 is done, sorry, June 20, yeah, this will be your entry point in the time halving, yeah, and until the next June 20, yeah, it will reduce by 50%, yeah, floating. So this is the halving here, time halving, and the sales halving is reducing the minting factor, the minting power by 1% each 2,000 master nodes, yeah, according to the algorithm. Yeah, so, and this will go less and less and less. Yeah, so compared to the first season, yeah, the first sales halving was starting by 4% each 1,000 hubs we have sold last year, or in the beginning of the Zeniq minting. So here it is a different, yeah, 2,000 master nodes need to be sold for 1% decreasing minting factor. Yeah, so many people can enjoy this also long term for sure. So, okay, that's the halving. So the technical foundation Tupan minting, you add on, yeah, a master node with Tupan minting requires a carrier master node of Zeniq. Yeah, so at the moment by start, yeah, of the pre-sale of this minting, you need to have a full Zeniq master node. Doesn't matter if this is a in-house hub or it's a hub 01 for your home. Yeah, doesn't matter. Both are eligible to transport this Tupan add-on pack. Yeah, and in a few weeks you will see also minting shares, so partial shares of a hub where you can start minting Tupan also with very small amounts, so around about 60 euro starting, yeah, and then in different steps also the shares available. Yeah, so for that you need to wait a few weeks until the minting starts, and yeah, in the meantime, full hubs of Zeniq are, yeah, eligible for adding this add-on package and start saving you the condition of 110 Tupan token every day, okay, by minting start within a few weeks, okay? So that's very important to say. Here you can see also the prices of these add-on master nodes, and you can see by one hub, yeah, you have here 998, yeah, for one add-on power pack, yeah, running long-term with the halving and producing in the beginning 110 token per day. So then the minting farms, you can see also there is a discount. The more hubs, also Zeniq hubs you are buying or you are holding already, yeah, the more add-ons you can put to this. Yeah, so in the shop, it is already recognized from the system how many hubs you have. Yeah, so let's say you have a minting farm bought last year of 4 hubs or 8 hubs or 16 hubs. Yeah, the system will show you, okay, you can buy exactly this number of add-ons, 4, 8, 16, 32, yeah, in the same way. So this is how it works in the system. And you can see here on the example, let's say the 256 housing hubs, yeah, 220,000 is the price for these 256 add-ons. Yeah, the price of the Zeniq hubs was at 330,000. Yeah, so also discounted with the number. Yeah, but yeah, 1,500 as an example for an in-house hub is here 998 for an add-on package. So a very nice price with this minting power, with this number produced every single day, with this background story. It's a treasure, in my opinion. Yeah, and you can add on this to your existing hubs or to a specific number of hubs, whatever you want. Yeah, and the shares, you can see it here on the left side. Yeah, you can see the 65 euro, guys, a 32 share of a hub. 116 share will be 100 euro, and 1.8 will be 165. So amazing possibility worldwide for people to participate. But for these shares, you need to wait a few weeks until the minting starts. And then the minting factor will be by 100 now in the pre-sale stage, starting by 110 for a full add-on package. Yeah, okay, let's jump over to the recommendation marketing of Saphir. I'm sure many of you are a member and having their teams, their customers built yeah, over long-term, short-term, mid-term, depending on how long you are here. And probably the most ingenious distribution system in the world, definitely for me, but we are talking about real economy. We are talking about a real crypto fiat ecosystem, and most important also for us, many projects. Yeah, and this synergy that all these projects are based on the smart chain, Avinor, Tupan now, yeah, and many others are in building already or coming soon, and they will burn Zeniq. They will burn Zeniq with every single transaction, and this is amazing to see this working finally. Yeah. So, and that's what we said last year, have a bit patience, yeah, and let the system grow, let the developers do their job. Yeah, now the smart chain is online, and we will see soon the Zeniq swap, we will see the Zeniq exchange, and we will see a huge tokenization event in October, yeah, in the Burj Khalifa, and we will see announcements who is partner in the tokenization platforms, the joint venture partners and all this stuff. And they're focusing on great stuff, yeah? Not on tokenizing a bottle of water, so on real estate, commodities, gold, diamonds, precious metals, and all this. So big stories coming up. And this is the year. This is the time to shine for every one of us. And yeah, most of you will know the compensation plan. This is the office here in Dubai, and the other 3 categories. So very important also that we're dealing with real products, with real hardware, yeah, physical products also, yeah. And this is very, very cool that we have this nice bright future here ahead with all those categories. So uni-level plan, how we can make money, uni-level up to 15 levels here, career levels, depending on your rank. With every new rank, you will get an extra benefit, yeah, a one-time bonus, amazing amounts, yeah, to achieve with accumulated sales. So there's no time frame, no monthly, weekly time frame where you start afterwards by 0. No, yeah, it's accumulated sales, and it's bringing you step by step to the next rank, and with that to the next bonus. Yeah, then the bonus pools for sure. With this pre-sale, with this new chapter, we will have increasing numbers and also increasing pooled values and pool shares. Yeah, so also here exciting times ahead. And yeah, this is the uni-level plan, all your personal referrals, 10%. Then second level, third level, you can see 7%, 5%, 2 times 4% here, up to 15 levels you can participate from your referrals and their referrals over time. And the cool thing is, what I can see with the smart chain, with the blockchain below, first layer, second layer smart chain, yeah, the exchanges, Zeniq swap upcoming soon, tokenization, yeah, we will have a lot of projects to choose from for minting category, for staking category, later on tokenization category. So customers will always be attracted. Yeah, customers always looking in the crypto world for new assets, for new investment possibilities, for new projects. Yeah, and imagine you always have this new effect. You always have this upcoming new minting mod project, a new staking project. Yeah, and you can offer this to the same customer base, guys. Yeah, with hardware, add-on by add-on can be implemented to your carrying masternode of Zeniq. Yeah, so if you have one masternode of Zeniq, yeah, and hub in-house or home hub, doesn't matter. You can add on Tupan now. You can add on the next project, yeah, and you can produce a portfolio of amazing real-world projects. Yeah, I'm not saying crypto projects, but crypto projects, every expert will say 90% of them will disappear within the next 5 years. Yeah, so we're talking about real-world projects. Who has a project, yeah, within SEC regulated investment fund, yeah, dealing with CO2 certificates, carbon credits with the companies of this world, yeah, and can improve and develop a huge ecosystem and land by land to secure the world, and at the same time giving the opportunity to participate and to make money, guys. This is the biggest and most exciting project I ever saw, and it's starting now. This is the start. Yeah, we will see a lot of projects in the future, and alone from the cooperation with Zeniq, there can be easily 10, 15 more projects and minting of tokens added soon. So big, so huge is the background with all those patents, with all those possibilities, alone with this one partnership, guys, plus everything else. Okay, so that's the uni-level plan, then the career level plan. So go and start if you are new, if you are already in here, this career rank. So go ahead, go to the next level. Yeah, starting on Saturday, you are able easily to jump to the next level or the level after within this June. Yeah, or even more levels. Yeah, but excitement is there. Yeah, and advantage is there. Yeah, in the pre-sale to get 10% more minting factor every single day. So you need 5 Zeniq hubs if you are brand new. Yeah, to reach the 10,000 performance here for Ruby. Yeah, or add-on packs in your team, 10 add-on packs to reach the amount of 10,000 performance. Let's say you are Ruby already and you will go to double Ruby. Yeah, you need 10 add-on packs to go from the 10,000 to 20,000. Then 1 share by Ruby, 2 shares by double Ruby. Oh, I see the 300 euro is disappeared here in this presentation. So 300 extra bonus for Ruby, 600 for double Ruby, 3,000 for Sapphire, 9,000 for double Sapphire, 15,000 for Black Sapphire, and another 40,000 by achieving 1 million accumulated sales in performance. Yeah, not with one customer or one team or 2 teams. You need minimum 3 strong teams. And some customers, yeah, active customer is having a 100 euro performance. Okay, so then double down, you can see another 80,000 rank bonus, 110 shares for the next 6 months. The shares, all the shares, 6 months active. Yeah, within the 6 months, you will have for sure some accumulated team sales with all the customers, with all the members, and qualified for the next level. Yeah, 150,000 by achieving the triple diamond, yeah, and 150 shares 6 months. And you can see the numbers here. For some, very excited, some so far away. Go ahead, make the first step, duplicate yourself with our products, share the product, use the product, show the business, promote events. That's the key factors, and tell the story. And my opinion, we have the biggest story. We have the biggest story. We have the story of the planet. Yeah, we can save the planet. Yeah, while we are earning and sharing this with the world. Yeah, so many people are poor worldwide. They need to earn something. They're looking for an opportunity, and at the same time, they can save the planet. So more is impossible. That's exactly the business, what we did for this world, and to create a huge community, also being customer on the Zeniq exchanges, so tokenization platforms. Yeah, so an ecosystem for everyone, but with participation. Yeah, but at the same time, if you have a Zeniq hub and this add-on from Tupan, you are minting both. You are minting the Zeniq coin, you participate over the Zeniq coin, yeah, from this decreasing supply and increasing market cap. Yeah, but there are fantastic mechanisms also on the other side, yeah, supporting the Zeniq coin, yeah, burning Zeniq coins, yeah, to decrease the supply. This is amazing. So this is the pool, 10% of all those commissionable volumes going here in this bonus pool, and are shared one time per month after the month is finished in the beginning of the new month, and you get 1 share as a ruby, 2 shares as a double ruby, 10 shares as a sapphire, and you can see the other rings. Accumulated sales, no time frame, we have all the time in the world to hit rank by rank. Okay, yeah guys, so that is the info for the next steps. Now talk to the person who invites you. If you are new, choose the best product for you. Yeah, category, start with your success business today. And for those who are in already, activate your customer, inform your customer. We have in around 1 hour the German session. We have tomorrow for sure. Look in the calendar. Also webinars and time to move, to inform everybody until Saturday. Also, this will be announced from the timing, and then the pre-sale is starting and a new chapter is born. So thank you for being here, and sorry if I'm a bit slowly today here with these slides, but I never saw them before. Yeah, I know the background story and everything, but yeah, a lot of information for this first meetings for sure. We will simplify this. Yeah, so stay tuned and have a nice day. Hope to see you soon and on the next episode. And yeah, all the best. Have a nice evening, afternoon, wherever you are coming from. See you soon. Bye-bye.